In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw from Gemini in a pencil sketch, an exciting feature of Google Gemini photo editing that you must try. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly transform your photo into a stunning pencil sketch. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Google. Just type in Google Gemini in the search bar. Google Gemini is an innovative photo editing tool by Google that offers a range of creative options for transforming your images. Once you see the Google search results, locate and click on the link for Google Gemini. This action will take you directly to the platform where all the magic happens. Once on the Google Gemini page, you'll see various tools and options. Look for the Create Image button, which is usually quite prominent. Clicking this button will open up a new interface that allows you to begin creating your image. Next, you'll want to upload the photo you wish to transform into a pencil sketch. You can do this by clicking on the plus sign icon, which prompts you to choose a photo from your device. With your photo uploaded, it's time to craft your prompt. The prompt is crucial and can greatly influence the outcome of your sketch. Here's a suggestion to help get you started. A photorealistic graphite sketch of your face on textured white paper with perfect likeness, visible construction lines, and natural pencil strokes captured as if it were a real drawing photographed in soft daylight. Such a detailed prompt will ensure that the generated sketch closely resembles a genuine pencil drawing. When your prompt is ready, you simply click the Submit button to proceed. After submitting, Gemini will work its magic and present you with an option to copy the image. Copying the image is a simple step. Just click on the Copy Image option, and the system will save it to the clipboard, ready to use in your next project. Once you've copied your image, you might want to create variations. To do this, start a new chat within the app. In the new chat interface, click on Create Image again. Now, paste the copied image and use prompts to generate variations. For instance, you might want to create scenes where your pencil sketch is integrated in creative settings. You can request Gemini to generate 5 photorealistic images like a framed sketch in a boho living room, or perhaps on an artist's easel, or even pinned on a corkboard. Be as creative as you like with these scenes. Once you've formulated your prompt for these variations, hit the Submit button once more. And just like that, Gemini will present you with your set of beautifully transformed pencil sketches situated in various creative contexts. This closes our walkthrough on how to utilize Google Gemini's photo editing feature to create pencil sketch images. Enjoy exploring the artistic possibilities that this tool provides, and don't forget to experiment with different prompts to suit your creative visions.